Hey guys, welcome back, and if you want to add some crazy widgets just like this, so keep watching this video till the end. So here it goes. So as iOS 14 just came out, you can do some amazing things with the widgets, and I tried my best and I'm here to share with you guys. So let me just open my iPhone first for that. And as you can see, I have 5 pages, but we need to focus on the third one and the fourth one. So how to get this widget, right? Total, you need to download 5 apps which are linked below. You can check them out for yourself. So let's start with the memo widget first. You just need to press on plus button and just add memo widget. So you have 3 sizes of your choice, like small, big. So I went with the big one, and then give it a title something like hustle, happiness, kindness, and then write the memo. Like here I went with this one, and after that you can add photo from your photos, which is very cool, I must say. And if not, then you can choose some preset wallpapers from the option, which I did here for myself. And by the way, pressing that edit widget, you can actually choose from your own made memos and can set the text. Like you can set the alignment, you get it, right? Like here I will play with the text size, give it a few seconds, and boom. You can also change the colors and all. Next widget is one that you are seeing right now. So in this you can actually choose different things according to the size, like time and date, and yes, you can add photos too if you want, and also custom text. You get the idea. And if I really want to get into the deep, I have to make a separate video for it. So if you want that, let me know in the comments down below. So moving on, just to give you guys a brief, you have options of health reminder, weather, astronomy, like everything. By the way, the app name is Widgets. So if you want to see that whole thing, that how I added the photos and all, you have to let me know by commenting down so I can make a separate video on this particular app. But in short, it's a great app. You can add photos, you can add that time and date, you can add calendars, you can add reminders, everything. And also you can set the size of your choice, small, medium, and big. Another app is Planning. So it is an actually reminder app, but it looks cool, so that's why it's here. So it will look something like this according to your widget size. Lastly, color widget. So again, by pressing plus, you can select the size of your choice and just press on it. Well, now you have all the options to go with. You can obviously change the font as well as the colors in the background. If you want to go crazy like me, you can add any photos from your photos library too. That's what I did, and end result is amazing. It's in front of you guys. So a few tips which might save your time. If you want to customize like Widgets, just go to edit widget and then you can choose your own made preset, which we saw earlier. And in memo widget, you just need to press on the widget and choose your own memo widget like hustle or kindness, whatever you made. And color widget, I told you that too. You can actually make a stack of all these apps, widgets, which is great too. And my favorite was color widget just because of the battery indicator. And there you have it, a very quick video but a useful one. So if you liked it, let me know, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know how it was and how it went with you guys. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.